Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Volvo key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've placed a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. Alright, so on this Volvo, this piece right here is just a trim piece, so we're going to need to remove that. So you're going to want to stick your screwdriver in here and just pry like that, and then that will kind of release this. And you're going to want to be careful because you can see there's like little tabs in here that these sink into. So you can then press that out. Now you can just tear the two pieces apart. Take your screwdriver and gently remove the old battery. Your new battery is going to go in positive side facing up, like that. And then bring these two back together. And then you're just going to want to slide on this piece, like that. And then this clips right in there. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.